Good morning, everyone. I have a quick update for you in regards to yesterday's live stream in which I failed miserably to install the Chocofur Asset Management add-on for Blender 2.8 in release candidate 2. Turns out I have managed to make it work, and all that was missing was literally one additional folder in the library structure, and I thought I'm going to share with you what I've learned there. So yesterday when we left it, I left Blender just like that. Here's still the release candidate 2 from yesterday. And here's my cube, and just as Patrick pointed out, I can delete it with X. There we go. And when I open this thing up here with the little N key, I can bring up my Chocofur Asset Manager. And all these tabs appear to be empty. So that was one of my issues. The other issue that I had was that the library path was not saved. Well, let's fix that first. What happened was that I needed to just click Save manually. Under Edit, Preferences, over here on Add-ons, I can go and have a look for a little bit of thunderstorm going on there outside. Looking out here, all I needed to do, it appears, was just to save this path manually, just with that. So auto-saving was not working, but if I save it manually, then that works. So that's, issue number 1 sorted. That's perfect. But the empty tabs and how to deal with that. Well, I'm going to have to close Blender quickly for that, just to remind ourselves this is where the empty tabs come in, and that's obviously not what we're going to see. So for that, I just need to quickly close Blender down, discard my changes. That's all totally fine. And then I'll quickly navigate to my Blender asset library. That was just one folder that I created on the desktop here. So the key here was in fact to create one additional folder called Accessories. And that is where everything needs to live in. So that's actually fairly easy, but of course, if no one really tells you this, how are you supposed to know? So I rewatched that video that Chocofur put up, and they have actually explained it kind of buried there. So I thought this is, I'm going to try that out and copy all my assets that I've extracted there yesterday into this additional folder called Accessories. And now, with a little bit of luck, watch what happens when we relaunch Blender. Could be the demonstration effect that it isn't actually working here, but let's think positive. So bring that up. Chocofur Asset Management Manager, Model Manager, I should say, looks completely different now. So now we have a top category, which is called Accessories, which is just that regular folder that we made. And in it, we have things like appliances, cooking, hobby, home, leisure, and work. So now I can select one of these things and then literally just click on this first thumbnail, and that will bring up my models here. And that is very exciting. So that's really what I wanted to show yesterday. Sort of, less than 24 hours later, I was able to make that work. And I thought I wanted to share that with you because, it's quite funky. So once you get to this stage, you can just bring in anything like the little GoPro here. You select it, and then you say Add Accessories Model. And as soon as you do that, it'll appear in the center of your scene, or where the 3D cursor is. So it's tiny. Let's bring that up into the center, and there's my GoPro. Very exciting stuff. And so that's how you can navigate all these categories here. Pick a category. If thunderstorms let me, and then I can go and literally select one of these thumbnails, and that'll bring up all these little accessories that you fritter away in your library. I hope this was helpful. I'm going to try and make a full video of that. Oh, before I go, actually, I wanted to share this one thing with you that I've been able to render this morning thanks to all these accessories that come with Chocofur. This is my desk. Look at that. Here's my keyboard. Here's my Surface Pro, just like it is on the right-hand side. Here's my Mac Mini, just like it is on the right-hand side. There's a little GoPro, my mouse with a little USB dongle, and here's a microphone. Isn't that exciting? I thought that was worth sharing on Happy Moon Landing 50th Anniversary Day. Join me later, of course, for a good round of Subnautica. I will see you then. Take care. Bye-bye.